Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on two-step verification in WhatsApp. Just follow my all steps without skipping. First of all, click on WhatsApp. Now click on three dot. Click on settings. Now click on account. Now click on two-step verification. Now click on turn on. Enter 6 digit. Now enter SIM 6 digit. Now click on save. Viewers, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.